The average SDR spends 11 hours a week researching leads they will never close. Here is how I automated all 500 in a single overnight make run. Right now, in July 2026, that manual grind is officially optional. I'm going to show you the exact workflow that saves me those 11 hours of shallow work every week. The 2025 approach to sales and marketing was a chaotic mess of browser tabs and copy pasting. Back in 2012, McKinsey estimated that knowledge workers spent 1/5 of their time, literally 1 day each work week, just searching for and gathering information. As of July 2026, we know that generative AI has the potential to automate work activities that absorb 60 to 70% of an employee's time today. According to Salesforce's State of Sales report, the average SDR spends only 28% of their week actually selling. The rest is buried in research, data entry, and tool switching. Thrives. Instead of spending your 7.6-hour workday hunting for data, you need an agentic system that does it for you. Sharpens. To process 500 leads while you sleep, you need a tool that handles complex, iterative loops. While Zapier is great for simple two-step tasks, Make is our engine of choice for 2026 because it allows for high-performance data transformation. Fight. Step 1. Set your trigger to a new row in Airtable or a webhook from your lead magnet. Step 2. Add a router to filter out junk leads immediately. Step 3. Connect the Perplexity AI module for deep research. This architecture moves us beyond simple chat and into what the CEO of Atlassian calls a natural product experience, where the automation is the interface. You don't need to code to build this. You just need to map the data flow 7 key. The biggest bottleneck in lead gen is the research phase. In this workflow, we use Perplexity AI as our digital librarian, SI. Unlike a standard LLM that might hallucinate, Perplexity searches the live web and cites its sources in real time. In your make scenario, you'll send a prompt like, research the company URL, identify their 3 biggest pain points in Q3 2026, and find the name of their current head of growth. By automating this, you are leveraging what Ethan Mollick calls co-intelligence, treating the AI as a junior researcher who never gets tired. Then here. Not every lead is worth your time. As of July 2026, we use Claude Sonnet 4.5 or Claude Opus 4 to score these leads based on brand DNA. 10, 11. Claude is the winner here because of its 200,000 token context window. 12. Step 1. Upload your ideal customer profile to a Claude project. Step 2. Pass the Perplexity research into the prompt. Step 3. Ask Claude to score the lead from 1 to 10 and write a 1-sentence justification. When you wake up, your Airtable is already sorted, with 500 leads ranked, researched, and ready for your approval. 13. This is the agentic shift behind what McKinsey calls a $3 trillion productivity frontier. 14. Now for the human touch. We take Claude's analysis and have it draft a personalized email or LinkedIn DM. The prompt I use is, using the research provided, draft a direct, punchy outreach email. Mention their recent growth goal and suggest a 10-minute async Loom to discuss a solution. By using Loom as your call to action, you maintain an async-first culture that respects everyone's time. 15. Data from the NBAR shows that using generative AI assistants can boost productivity by an average of 14%. And for newer team members, that jump is a massive 34%. 16. You are effectively compressing days of getting to know you research into a 90-second automated draft. Is this setup perfect? No. Even in 2026, a July 2026 MIT Sloan benchmark found that frontier models still fail or roughly 1 in 5 complex reasoning or accounting tasks. 17. This is why you must maintain a human in the loop. 17. In my make scenario, I never set the email to auto-send. Instead, the final action pushes the draft to a review column in Airtable. 13. You spend your morning coffee time just clicking approve or edit on the best 500 leads from the night before. By 2027, the role of sales rep will shift entirely toward this type of system design and final quality control. What we've just built isn't just an automation, it's an AI operating system for your business. 18. By connecting Make, Perplexity, and Claude, you are reclaiming the 70% of your time that used to be buried in the infinite backlog. 19. This allows you to spend your working hours on deep work, the high-value strategy and creative tasks that AI cannot yet replicate in Turo. Whether you are a solopreneur or running a small agency, this stack is the bridge to a 3-day work week. You stop working for your tools and start letting your tools work for you while you sleep. If this stack is already saving you research hours, hit like It helps more people find this workflow. You just saw how to turn 500 manual tasks into one self-running engine. Next week, I'm showing you the Claude code stack I use to build a custom internal CRM in under an hour. Subscribe so you don't miss that build, and I'll see you in the next one.